Give you the proper English, innit? You know what I mean? I want to give you the proper English, guys. You know what I mean? So let me know, mate. You know what I mean? Okay, so if you want to see that bit, yeah, just let me know, innit? Let me know, innit? You know what I mean? Alright, see? Man's got English locked as well. You know what I mean, fam? Man's out here. Oi, without fear. Oi, oi, Savalo. Guess who's back? Back again. I am back. Tell your friend. Guess who? What is up, guys? You know it's Jamaica Risk Gamer here with another reaction. Yeah, more shout out to my source, my UK source, man, the man they are specialists. Now they add song them. So him say, yo, Digga D just drop a song. Last time him drop it. So him say, react to it. I say, yo, I'm gonna react now. You know, so big up my source, you know yourself, my G. So, we're gonna react to Digga D Chingy. In bracket, it's whatever. Alright, so never heard this song as usual, like I just said to you a while ago. Before I do anything else, guys, do this. Do this! Do this! Yes, and big up all of the new subscribers that's here, that's chilling with me. Let me know in the comment section as well if you want to see me break down some dancehall tracks in English. Yeah, let me flip it around. Some dancehall track in English. Let me know if you want to see me do that. The English might not be perfect, but I will try my best. So let me know that, alright? So, without further delay, I could jump in that one. Alright? Let's go.
Music, a whole heap of bookings. Where you job? Where's that? Where job? Yes.
Yo, so it look like a house party just go on. Look like a house party just go on. And people are everywhere. This is the next morning. You know, balloon there, girl there. One look at something there, look something, I don't know how him are. But the man in there see me. So I can see what I go on. No?
Take up your drawers. Left this your place. No.
What do I say? Take up your drawers. Left this a place. Hey girl, take up your drawers. Own your property. Don't leave it in here. Take up your drawers and cut. Party finished. Go on.
Where's that? Where job? Where's that? Take up your drawers. Left this your place. No.
Man, show the drawers, girl.
Yo. I back your bro, don't spectate. Watch when I dig that. His best mate's chest plate. White tent when I lock off that estate. I bet.
Yo, me love them party. Me love them type of party. Be a girl. Be a girl like netball team. Full of girl like netball. Hang up no baby. Me dep on the next call. Shout me tomorrow, man. Tired you not hear that. Nah, this yo. Baby, me wouldn't do that. Pretty you don't know when she dep on the phone. Stacey dep on the cocky. She a feel up. Simone think cannot be call me for the trip. That I get to the BB that she reach home. Girl in all alright, get back to the chat. Get back to the chat, dog. Party go on. Let's go.
Bet if corn get threatened. Yeah. Violent, let man tone it. I had friend that like, where's my waps? Of course I stole it, she chat too much, but the next one hold it. Told them don't get comfy and go. Rock that dots had a back bit up.
Man, I tell you, say, yo, be a girl there. Don't get comfortable in my house. Yo, it's a girl song. Me like it. Cause it is very rare you see the English man them, the UK man them and do girl song like this. So it's good to see a girl song. Like, I suppose it's a girl song, can be a girl in the video, which is nice. I like them thing, man. I love it.
Open, left in a ring, now the sweets them swollen. Now I'm rolling, handgun shells golden. 5-door hatchback lurking that. 5-man dashback might be a hashtag Lalo, bro, just chinged out. Yo, I really wanna kick this guy.
Yo, the video lit. It must spit lyrics fast, so I now pick up everything I say, but I know the video lit. Night before.
I told little Steezy to go with the lookout. Cause I ain't tryna lose this telly. Ask unknown T, my celly. If I had my man looking at Nelly,
the man say, yo, ask unknown T. You know, say unknown T. I'm gonna be got that yelly on me. The man say, yo, ask unknown T. Him cellmate. Cause look at them, they're prisoner now. Say, yo, him say, yo, ask me cellmate if me never after you tell looking like Nelly. What I mean by looking like Nelly though? With the something on them eye? Cause you know, say, Nelly is infamous with the black thing on him eye. So why him left you with a black eye? We don't know. Is that what he's referring to? Leave it in the comment section. Let me know what I'm talking about. That's up, people. I don't know what I'm talking about this, sir.
Ching my man on house block 4. Turn that wing on T my celly. If I had my man looking at Nelly, I'd ching my man on house block 4. Turn that wing to a hotspur.
So it's not a girl song then. It's not a girl song. It started off as a girl song. So I was wrong. Look at that. I was wrong. Alright.
If I had my man looking at Nelly, I'd ching my man on house block 4. Turn that wing to a Hotspur. No Tottenham, but it came from a farm. Same size of my arm, it's a Mossberg.
Run over there again.
Turn that wing to a Hotspur.
In time, turn that ring to a Hotspur. Obviously, the prison ring in my top, but you turn it to a Hotspur. What does a Hotspur mean? If it's not Tottenham Hotspur, because him wordplay it a while ago, he said him turn that ring to a Hotspur. Like a hotspot? Or what? Hotspur, hotspot. Someone leave it in the comment section what he mean by Hotspur in that case, because I don't know.
No Tottenham, but it came from a farm. Same size of my arm, it's a Mossberg.
He said no Tottenham, but it come from a farm. Me don't know why I talk about, you know? Me don't know why I talk about. Somebody help me in the comment section. Explain a little part that to me. And the wall behind him have like, me know for the days them there, when there, because each of this represent a week. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 5 days in a working week. So obviously the weekend no count here. So some of them know why so much 5s up on the wall, or I don't know if I so much money I'm making a prison, I don't know what I want to so. But I literally thought it was a girl song.
See her up right there and get chingy. My gun them with me, my gun them for me. Give me my.
You see me see ups right there. And me go say ching. So I stop up the ups. And I say him gun right there. So my gun right there. Yeah, my gun is right there. Dog. He's going grimy. And it's flowing good.
See her up right there and get chingy. My gun them with me, my gun them for me. Give me my thingy and let me get flingy.
Pull up the part there, dog. Pull up the part there, brother. Pull up.
And get chingy. My gun them with me, my gun them for me. Give me my thingy and let me get flingy.
Yeah. Give me my thingy and let me get flingy. Him thing. Give me my thingy and let me get flingy. You know, say gunshot I go fling. Fire dog. Mm-hmm.
You see it? You see me? Yeah. We got a big dilemma. Bait me real, bro. Don't know better. Look tap, bro, like it's whatever. You let that go like it's whatever. Babe.
Yeah, man, just make it go like it's whatever, dog. Like it is what it is. Me not care. Me not business. Nice track. Digga D.
Me roll like it's whatever. Yo, whatever the weather, I'm stepping whenever, I'm madder than never.
Man say, yo, no matter if quick, you know, England have, you know, one day, snow, sun, rain, hailstone, sun again, night at 4 o'clock, PM that is, sun again, 6 o'clock you have sun again, 8 o'clock you have snow again, PM that is. Man, I say, yo, whatever it is, whatever the weather, we're ready for step, we're no business. And also, I have to touch on the thing where me like the dress sense in this, in dress code, like, you know, the old school, the American jersey them, that in my rear in this. And you hardly see people wear jersey and t-shirt and one. I think it's a Kangal that in my rear. I don't know if it's a Kangal or something like shape like a Kangal hat still. So, yeah, music video clean, dog.
Doing the sweat, I put 2 in the retta, they copying me cause I'm doing it better. Left my block with a pum river. Can't come edge of the killie them debba. One hand.
You know what I'm saying? Left him black with a pum river. What is a pum river? Can someone tell me that, please? What is a pum river? Left him black with a pum river. Please tell me that. I don't know what a pum river is, dog. Help me out.
Me cause I'm doing it better. Left my block with a pum river. Can't come edge of the killie them debba. One hand in, can't get the left leg out. They drew me in, they don't want me to step up. Wait, that's him, I swear. Where? Right there. Yeah.
He's doing an American style video, but it's an English video. He's doing an American style video. He's chopping bars. Bars are chopped, dog. Big up yourself, dog. Video of fire, brother. Music video of fire, dog. Like it.
Put him in a coffin. Pop back in, I swear. Where? Right there. Yeah. Jump out, try put him in a coffin. Pop back in, a swerve. Where's my yak? I'm birth.
So I'm saying jump out, put him in a coffin. So when you don't know, say when you're in a coffin, you're dead. Bam, you're dead. So him jump out and put him in a coffin and jump back in him car and go about him business. Yo, that's a nice red play. Me like that. Fire. One more water there. What am I use the water upon the man? Water! If you never like it, don't but I like it, you know. If you never like the video at the start, do not but I like it now. Please and thank you. I welcome. Thank you very much. Bye.
Last night was a blur. Pre the watch. Burr. I'm about to go clear.
Man say, yo, last night was a blur. I can't remember what happened last night. Last night was a blur. I was drunk. I was on the weed. I was high as a kite. I was at like a British Airways heading to Jamaica. I was high. I can't remember what happened. Last night was a blur. But all I know say, somebody get put in a coffin last night. That man I said to your dog, straight up. No joke.
See you up right there and get chingy. My gun them with me, my gun them for me. Give me my thingy and let me get flingy. You see it? You see me? We got a big dilemma. Bait me real, bro. Don't know better. Look.
He's back again with the chorus. Yeah. And see you up right there and stab him up. Chingy. Jaja. The youth are grimy.
Tap bro like it's whatever. You let that go like it's whatever.
He might enjoy himself. Man, the dog them out and enjoy himself. I don't see the girl in another part, but obviously there was girl in the first part. Nice song. Nice catchy song, you know? Nice song where people can sing along to, especially the chorus. It's whatever. Nice song. I like the song for real. Yeah. Groundworks. Big up Groundworks. Nice song, Chingy. Nice song. I'm not telling you, what I call him Chingy for? Nice song, digga dig. Can say Chingy for the thing. And you know, he's some American rapper named Chingy. You know what? Chingy, where you going with anyway? Anyway, Stormzy, where you there? We still wait for you for reply. What to you? What to you? Big Mike, where you there? The girl them stiff chocolate, where you there? Big up yourself, Stormzy. We still wait for you for reply still, dog. You think I'll get born if you not reply, brother? Guys, this was the next fire video. Really enjoyed this one. It's a bit like American style video, you know what I mean? Yeah, with the jersey and the them, you know? Yeah, and the girl them at the video at the start. But I literally thought it was a girl song, but it's a nice song. It's whatever, man. It's whatever. So guys, if you like this one, see it yeah. Next time, like before you react, because you don't like before you watch, because you don't know it's gonna be fire. And also, please let me know in the comment section if you'd like to see me break down like a dancehall track in English. Flip it there, so dancehall is my specialty, so let me know if you want to see me break it down in English for you guys. I'll give you the proper English, innit? You know what I mean? I want to give you the proper English, guys. You know what I mean? So let me know, mate. You know what I mean? Okay, so if you want to see that bit, yeah, just let me know, innit? You know what I mean? Alright, see? Man's got English locked as well. You know what I mean, fam? Man's out here. Oi, without fear. Oi, Savalo. See you guys in the next one. All right. Peace out. Peace.